Hey, welcome to Sing and Cook once again, and I'm here with a recipe in microwave. We'll cook a recipe in microwave. That's what I'm trying to teach you today. It's plain and simple. We'll cook chili chicken, one of the hot favorite dishes in India that we have while we snack or party, right? So how do you do a chili chicken in a microwave? Be with me. I'll teach you in a minute how to do a chili chicken in a microwave. We've been eating all these years the famous chili chicken. So first of all, I've got some garlic here. Let me chop some garlic. How do you chop some garlic? Just press it with a knife first. It makes chopping much easier. And I like the small garlic rather than the big one, what people in India call Chinese garlic, right? The flavor here of the small garlic is much sharper. So some chopped garlic, I like lots of garlic in my chili chicken. That's the garlic. Now, chopping this makes it easy. Garlic here. And that's my garlic. Into a bowl. Chili chicken, so lots of chilies. Now chilies, would cut them like this. These ones are little sharp, you see, a dark green in color. Now I'll tell you a trick. If you were chopping or using chilies, apply some oil in your hands. So when you cut chilies, you actually save yourself. Your hands don't burn. Chilies here. You like more spicier? Add more of it. Now, the chilies in, the garlic in, some oil in this. As I've shown you, chilies and garlic in this. This is a microwave-proof bowl, and my microwave side, 3 steps. So the first step, this one goes in, right? Garlic and chilies into my microwave. 0. That's when the microwave starts calling you. And that's the beauty of this equipment. So let me stop this. In goes my chili chicken. My chili chicken, actually my raw chicken. So this is the raw chicken. The rest of the ingredients, soya sauce, 1.5 teaspoon. I've got some red chili sauce. I like to make it real spicy, real Panju style, Punjabi style, you know. In North India if you go, chili chickens are generally reddish in color. So 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, some spring onions in this, some spring onion bulbs. In goes the spring onion bulbs. I've cut 2 whole spring onions. I've used the green separately, the bulbs separately. The bulbs are in this. Some capsicum. We all love capsicum in our chili chicken. And that's what actually I enjoy eating in a restaurant. Whenever I go to a restaurant and I order chili chicken, more than the chicken, I enjoy eating the onions and the capsicum. So the capsicum give a nice flavor. Salt to taste. Some black pepper. I'm also adding some black pepper because I love the chili chicken more hot and peppery. Vinegar, 1 teaspoon of it, and let me mix this whole thing up. You see, the beauty here is you've not fried the chicken, you've kept it plain and simple and very easy.
And finally, some monosodium glutamate. You want to avoid it, avoid it. If you want to add it, it will only enhance the taste. So, little bit of MSG in this. Mix up the whole thing properly. And now cover this up with a cling film. don't film because you want the steam to escape. So step 2 ready, in goes the chili chicken. We'll check while we cook the chicken in the microwave because it might leave some water. In microwave, there is a tendency that whenever you cook chicken like this, it leaves water. If it leaves water, then we would add some corn flour and that will be our step 3. So step 2, let's cook the chicken in the microwave for 8 minutes. There goes the chicken into the microwave. Microwave eye for 8 minutes.
My microwave is heating now. Let's check the chicken here. Wow. The chicken looks to be cooked. Let's open it up and check. The chicken is done. No water in this. Sharp 8 minutes. All I need to do is remove this film. I've got some fresh coriander. In India, we all like to garnish our Chinese food with fresh coriander, fresh cilantro. Sprinkle some on top, some spring onions, and serve it in the bowl that you have cooked. That's the beauty of microwave cooking.